So today we're going to learn another important concept, an intersection. What is an intersection? So in geometry, an intersection is when you have two or more geometric figures that have one or more points in common. Now you can see this picture that I put here, but we'll get to that later. So let's start with something simple. So let's say we have two lines like this and another line that intersects it. Now what you could say is that these two lines intersect at this point. So the intersection is a point. We can call this point A. Now there isn't really any way to signify an intersection, but it's just a concept that you have to understand. So you can see they intersect, these two lines intersect at point A. Now you can also have two planes that intersect, but in this case they intersect at a line. So if we were to call, so you could see here plane 1 and plane 2 intersect at this line right here. So you can call this line anything you want. You can call it AB, sort of like this, AB. So you can see it intersects, these two planes intersect at a line. So those are two examples of what an intersection is in geometry. The first one being a point, the other one being a line. There's obviously more types of intersection, but these are basic ones to understand at this stage. If this was helpful to you, please like the video, subscribe, and comment.